Now, I'm not dressed like your typical photographer. A fishing vest will help you so much when you're doing photography and videography, but here's why. We got small things like this, like a lens cap, batteries, mini tripods, and maybe even your little toy stuffed animal. You don't want to put it on the sidewalk. You don't want to give it to someone else. You can use any fishing vest because most of them have a lot of capacity, but I use this one, and here's why. So this one, let's just use a stuffed animal. We got a bottle holder right here. This bottle holder is pretty deep, so if I push little guy all the way in, completely gone. There's one of these on the other side as well, and this can fit, again, the entire little guy into, fits completely, and you can zip it up. If you have small things like wallets and stuff like that, very easily. Again, we got it identical on this side. Then we got, since there's no bottle holder on this other side too, we got a bigger pocket that zips up. This is how deep it is, my hand. I can put my phone in there. So we got a bunch of stuff. Now, we also got a buckle. Obviously, let's not go anywhere, but one cool thing we have is we got a whistle in the back pocket. If you put it in these pockets, it'll end up right here in the netting. But so just keep in mind, keep stuff that's very thin and very easy to work with because that's gonna be on your back. It's gonna hurt. Now also on the inside, we have netting on the inside. So you have side pockets as well. You can put small little things like bags like this.